Hi everyone! 皆さんこんばんは、エリカです。今日は日本語の擬音語、擬態語を勉強しましょう。日本語にはたくさんの擬音語、onomatopoeia、擬態語、mimetic word があります。Do you know Japanese onomatopoeia and mimetic word? Japanese has a lot of onomatopoeia and mimetic word. Let's learn them and practice them. Here's how we use it. Number 1. ニコニコ。ニコニコ。It means smiling. ニコニコ is a word that expresses a person smiling. When you smile, people don't usually create sound when they do so, but nico nico can be used as a sound effect for this. For example,彼女はいつもニコニコしているね。彼女はいつもニコニコしているね。She's always smiling. She's always smiling. In Japanese, 彼女はいつもニコニコしているね。Number 2. ポカポカ。ポカポカ。In most cases, ポカポカ means comfortable warmth that you feel. ポカポカ。ポカポカ。For example, after taking a bath or onsen, 体がポカポカする。I feel a comfortable warmth. 体がポカポカする。体がポカポカするね。Number 3. ダラダラ。ダラダラ。It means lazy. ダラダラ is a word that expresses something being sloppy and lazy. That something can be an animal or a human being. This word can be used in sound effects or in everyday conversation. A synonym for this word will be ノロノロ。ノロノロ。It means slowly. ノロノロ。For example, from mom to her son, do not waste time and study harder. In Japanese, ダラダラしないで勉強しなさい。ダラダラしないで勉強しなさい。And ノロノロ。ノロノロ。We use like this. ノロノロ運転。ノロノロ運転。To drive very slowly. Like Sunday drivers. ノロノロ運転。ノロノロ運転。Number 4. ゴロゴロ。ゴロゴロ。ゴロゴロ is a word that had two meanings. One, it expresses something rolling around on a surface. 2. It expresses someone rolling around on a surface being lazy, like chilling out at home. Both can be used as sound effect and everyday conversation. For example, I'm gonna chill out at home today. In Japanese, 今日は家でゴロゴロします。今日は家でゴロゴロします。ゴロゴロ means chilling out. Number 5. キラキラ。キラキラ。It means shining. キラキラ。キラキラ is a word that expresses something shining, sparkling, glittering, and twinkling. The something can be a person itself, person's eyes, shiny objects such as metal or rocks, and also stars. It can be used as a sound effect and in everyday conversations. For example, when you want to say like, she is dazzling, she's pretty, in Japanese we say, 彼女はキラキラしているね。彼女はキラキラしてるね。彼女はキラキラしてるね。Okay, that's it. And thanks so much for watching my live stream. I'll see you next time. じゃあまたね。